kind of funny that Smokey's finally started to show some interest in the box. Granted, if Onyx were in here right now, he'd be hoarding it for himself. But hasn't quite figured it out yet, apparently. He's trying to brute force it. I forget how many treats are in there. I think there's 3. I said a 4th one on top. That's the only one he's figured out so far. What are you gonna do, Smokey? Don't break the box. Oh, I got too close. You chew that box up and Onyx will get really sad. Am I too close? What are you doing? You have to use your feet. Hmm? Oh, you got one. Good kitty. Good kitty, my little hunter. There's more in there. There should be 2 more. No? Too much work? Are you looking for a free lunch? I don't have anything for you. They're on the box. Oh. Oh, you got another one. Good kitty. Where's the 3rd one? There's one more. Where is it? It's still in there. No? Can't figure it out? Belly's kind of round. Boop, boop, boop. Who's a good kitty? You gotta roll around the floor. Get the last treat. What are you doing? You just want attention? You don't want your last treat? Is it too hard? Is it too hard for you to get? Hey. Where is it? It's in there. Alrighty, I guess that's it. Oh, man. Stand up. Floor's too hard. What'd you find? Naughty bet. Oh, you got it close. Oh, you let it go. You have to push it out. It's not going to stay there. Goofball. How that box is still in one piece is beyond me. All the other boxes they chew on. The boxes I don't want to chew on, they chew on. That one they leave alone. You gonna figure it out before I get tired of recording? Goofy cat. Yeah, Onyx is more of a puzzle. Hey, don't destroy the box. Can't figure it out? It's stuck in the corner. You gotta scoop it up. You gotta scoop it up. He tried to get it out of his paw. It's like right at the edge. He's gonna eat the cardboard trying to get to it. What are you doing? Well, you're not gonna get it there. He has it wedged. Oh. What? There's two in there. I wonder how long that one's been in there. Alright, I guess you're spoiled. You get the treat for free, so you don't destroy the box. Onyx likes that box. Alright, pretty good.